Welcome to my grammar class. Today our topic is position of adverbs. As you know that adverbs are the words that modify the verb or that give more meaning to the verb. Let us see the position of adverbs, and these all definitions are coming only from Wren & Martin, as the rule number are given in the Wren & Martin book. I am following the same rule number. This is part 1. 358, rule number 358 says that adverbs of manner, these adverbs of manner, usually these are heavily, slowly, carefully, these kind of adverbs are there, or well, or whatever the manner, different types of manners are there. It is followed, it follows the verbs. It is raining heavily, she speaks well, or he talks slowly. We cannot say it is heavily raining, or she well speaks, or he slowly talks. Adverb always follows the verb, please remember. Next is 359 rule, adverbs of place, that is here, there, everywhere, home, abroad, away. These are all adverbs of place. There are several of them. Remember, this is a very short description. So this one, if you see, in the same way, the adverb is placed after the verb. My parents were here. Here is the adverb. You see after the verb. The verbs are all underlined with red ink. The children went to home. This is home is the adverb of place here, modifying the verb went. So both of these, you see, the adverbs are following the verbs. Next is number 360, rule number 360. Some more adverbs. These adverbs, if there are more adverbs, manner, place and time, this is the sequence of the adverbs. Suppose we have 3 adverbs placed after the verb. The first one will be manner, second one will be place, and third one will be time. She sang well there last night. So well is the manner, there is the place, and last night is the time. Similarly, John walked slowly away yesterday. We can't say John walked yesterday away slowly, or John walked yesterday slowly away. We have to say slowly away yesterday. Similarly, she sang last night well there is wrong. She sang there last night well is wrong. She sang well there last night. So we must remember, if there are more adverbs, then the sequence of adverbs will be manner, place and time. So this is the sequence. First we have to place manner, then place and then time. Next is adverbs of frequency, that is answer to how often. Whenever we answer how often, these adverbs comes always, never, often, just, quite, hardly, nearly. Between subject and the verb, and between helping verb and the main verb. These are the rules. If there is a subject and the verb, these all adverbs will come between, or if there is a helping verb and the verb, then all this will come in between. Example is, his wife never cooks at home. You see, his wife never cooks at home. Here you see, subject is his wife and verb is cooks. So it will come here. The adverb will come here. We cannot say his wife cooks never at home. It is wrong. Similarly, I have often told him to write neatly. Here you see helping verb have is there and told is the main verb. Often will come in between. So as I wrote it, helping verb and main verb. We cannot write I often have told him. It is wrong. I have told him often also is wrong. In spoken English too, they are considered quite big mistakes. Please follow this rule. Then rule number 362. Be form verbs. Am, are, is, was, were, being. These are all be form verbs. Whenever we write be form verbs, the adverb will follow the be form verb. Like I am never late to school. I cannot say I never am late to school. It is wrong. So I am never late to school. Or he is always punctual to school. Or we are just in time. See here, am and are I have underlined. They are the be form verbs. So the adverb will follow. We cannot shift the adverb before the verb, or we cannot change the position of the adverb anywhere other places if we follow this rule. So these are the first 5 rules. Remaining 5 more rules are there, which I will explain in my next part of the video. Thank you for listening to me. If you have this kind of inquiries, or if you want to learn more about this, please tune into my online English class. My name is Amitabh Das. I am an English teacher. I hope you liked my video.